watching him play. As a team, you've got to get back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the little gargantuan. So we'll go along with the look at the distance. That's too much. But it's because his energy, certainly his energy, and because of his ability to trend at the back, to be able to play that pass, it's absolutely outstanding. And give me one, similar stuff, easy stuff, able to play through the line, it's a disallowed goal, there is a positive in it for Man City, but look at the space. Look at the space, look how easy it is.